Good morning everyone. Welcome to Stock Market Analysis presented by Ray Financial. Today is Thursday, July 14, 2016. So in front of us, I have the weekly chart of Dow Jones Industrial, and what I want to discuss in this video is whether we are entering into a new sentiment, bullish sentiment, or if you are entering into a bearish sentiment. Not entering, but basically setting up for a bearish sentiment. Now what I want to clearly mark out for you guys is the high levels of Dow Jones first. So I'm just gonna take these lines, and by the way, the charting software that I'm using is available for free. All you got to do is go to NetDania, www.netdania.com, and you can easily navigate yourself to getting these charts. So yeah, we got the horizontal high and low lines. Now in 2000, obviously the Dow Jones crashed because of the tech bubble. The high at that point was 11,750. Then after that, obviously Lehman Brothers in 2008, the Dow level was about 14,200. And then just recently, we had this correction right now, which was at the level. All right, let me see if I can get this chart. Okay, yeah, 18,351. Now what I am seeing is that there is a double top at this particular area, but this is the monthly chart. Sorry, it's not the weekly, it's the monthly chart. I just wanted to broadly highlight these main levels, and every time the market goes up, it definitely has to correct. Just for 2016, I don't see any negative news except for the Brexit, as well as certain news coming about Deutsche Bank, that the bank is not stable, and probably that could be the cause, or that could be the next Lehman Brothers. But I don't want to make any comments as of now, because I have absolutely no strong research on this. I know that Japan has entered a stimulus plan, but I don't know about Deutsche Bank. So now if I move into retracements, I am sure a lot of you guys use this tool to understand how the market moves, and where what is expected from after a really long bullish or bearish run. So I'm going to use high and low of the Fibonacci retracement. Alright, I'm going to just set some new levels. I'm going to get some percentages and values. So the main ones are 38.2, 50, 60, 1.8, 78.6, 127.62, 161.8. I'm going to go ahead and add even 100, because that's a very important level too, because if a market corrects 100%, obviously most of your stocks are the price is undervalued, and obviously if you are going to start buying such stocks, especially the blue chips. So here we are with these levels. Okay, I'm just gonna, and let's add 100, like I said. So if we see, when Dow Jones came around like the 100%, when it from 7,197 level, okay, in 2002, the market started to pick up, all right, and it went all the way to 14,200. From there, the market corrected actually more than 100%, but the moment it corrected more than 100%, it was the best buying opportunity for everyone. And that's, from there we see that the market has just continuously gone up, but there has to be some profit taking, there has to be some profit booking. And usually the people talk about this 8-year period, it's a cycle, it's an 8-year cycle where the market enters into a new sentiment, whether it could be a bullish or whether it could be bearish. But anyways, try and understand that the bear market, when we enter a bear market, it lasts for probably like 6 months to a year or a year and a half max, whereas a bull run, it could last for like about 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. So you can see it for yourself in from 1992 the market was just going up. Obviously in 2000 we had the crash, so 1992 to 2008 years. All right, then from 2002 onwards we started to pick up, so 2 years was the bear run. Okay, so then from 2002 all the way to 2008, 6 years we had a bull run. All right, and then from 2008 till 2009 April we had the bear run. And now from 2009 we are in 2016, so this has been 7 years, and probably it could be 2016 end or 2017 beginning we might see a change in the sentiment. But for right now, let's just see what is happening. So I'm going to remove the retracement level, okay, because we see that the market corrected 100% and it started to pick up. But where from that 100%, from the 7,197 level, or wait, let me actually remove this and mark the area from where we actually started to see the bull run. So from basically 6,481 is when Dow Jones started to really pick up. All right, and since then, ever then, we've just had a really long bull run. Yes, there have been a lot of corrections in between, but that's bound to happen. But if you see a year-on-year basis, it's just been up. All right, now the key, what I'm trying to find out is that where is it supposed to go. So there's another tool which is called the Fibonacci extension. This is a tool that tells you that how far is this market supposed to be going from the last bull run. So what we do is we take this, okay, and I'm going to just mark these levels. One second. I'm having a little difficulty with the extension. Sorry, so yeah, I figured it out. So let's see the extensions now. And I need to add 2 more, so it's going to be 100. Okay, and I'm going to add 200, and let me get the percentages for us. There's another one which I follow, which is 144, so I'm going to put that too. 144. It's 144 point something, but I'm just briefly marking it right now because I don't want to take much of your time. Okay, so if you see that from 14,200 levels we crashed all the way to 6,481. Now obviously the market has retraced back 100%. okay, so from here onwards we need to see how much further is the market going. Now the first level, which is 127.20, all right, that's where Dow Jones came to 16,300, and you can see that when it came to 16,300 it fell down to it came down almost to 15,300, about 1,000 points. Even if you see 78.60, when the market came to about like 12,600, it fell back to like 10,300. So this is the whole technique that I'm trying to use here. So based on this, all right, I feel that the market might just push, if it breaks 8,351, and the market, the sentiment is good. There's no bad news coming in. We can expect Dow to at least go further to 19,000 levels. All right, and if the market is, it's really good, then I feel it can further go to 21,000 to 900, 21,900. But that's a really long way. That's a really long way. Hence, what I am trying to say is that just focus right now on this level. Let's go into the daily. What I want you guys to see is that just give me some time. Okay, I'll just try and zoom in, and let me just get rid of okay, yeah, I got rid of the Fibonacci. So if you see on the day, okay, on the weekly, if I can do the weekly for you guys, that was the high. This, see if I can get a nice color. Okay, I need to first remove the retracement because that is kind of interfering with my, okay, there. Okay, that blue line is pretty good, right? So if you see, we have actually broken the high, the previous high, which was in May 2015. All right, we've broken that, and now I will go to the daily so you can have a better look. So we have broken that, and this candle out here, it's kind of scary because these tiny ones, like you can see, this one is a tiny one. I think this one is called the hanging man, and if there is some negative news from this point, I feel that the market is definitely going to come down. If there is no negative news, and if we break this level, keep in mind this is a double top. All right, so we are at a double top. If we break this level and see that the market is moving further up, then probably I will say that we are in a short term new bull run. Short term meaning from 18,300 we could probably move to that level I was discussing, about 19,000 or something. But just keep in mind, be careful. If this one goes breaks, then I can expect that the sentiment is changing and we might be entering into a bearish phase. Well, that's it for now. I just wanted to share this with you guys because not a lot of people are checking this. Probably you might just see the news that Dow has made a new lifetime high. Check the newspapers. You'll definitely see that news coming. But as of now, yes, we have broken the previous high, and this particular candle kind of scares me. So just be on a watch out, and I will keep you posted. Thanks for watching the video, and keep in touch via Facebook, or you can subscribe to YouTube. I have posted 2 recommendations on Facebook. If you are lucky enough, you can board on. I am holding these stocks. I have been holding them since quite some time. I would say about 3 months to 4 months. So if you guys want to get on board right now. Bye bye.